A 9.8 out of 10. That's not a minor bug. That's a critical, remotely exploitable vulnerability sitting inside one of Python's most widely used serialization libraries, JSonpickle. And the scariest part, you don't need to be logged in, you don't need special permissions, and you don't even need to interact with the target machine. You just send a crafted JSON string and you're in.
Here's exactly what's happening. JSonpickle is a Python library that lets developers convert complex Python objects into JSON and back. Sounds harmless, right? The problem is version 2.0.0 introduced support for a tag called py/repr. This tag is supposed to help reconstruct Python objects during deserialization, but when JSonpickle processes it, it passes the value directly into Python's eval function. Eval, that function that executes any Python code you feed it. No sandbox, no filtering, no guardrails.
So an attacker crafts a JSON payload, something like this. They wrap a system command inside py/repr, send it to any server that uses JSonpickle to deserialize untrusted input, and the moment that server processes the JSON, eval fires, and the attacker's code runs on the remote machine. Full system access. Read files, drop malware, pivot deeper into the network, it's all on the table.
This falls under CVE-94, improper control of code generation, which is the textbook definition of a code injection flaw. The CVSS 3.1 score is 9.8, and CVSS 4.0 gives it a 9.3, both rated critical, because the attack vector is the network, complexity is low, no privileges are required, and the impact on confidentiality, integrity, and availability is all rated high. In other words, every single metric that could be bad is bad.
The fix is straightforward. Update JSonpickle to a patched version immediately. Beyond that, never deserialize untrusted JSON using JSonpickle. If your application accepts JSON from any external source, users, APIs, third-party services, and passes it through JSonpickle without validation, you are exposed. Input sanitization before deserialization is not optional here. It is the last line of defense.
CVE-2021-47952 is a reminder that deserialization vulnerabilities are not academic. They are real, weaponized, and in the wild. A proof of concept for this exact exploit already exists publicly on ExploitDB. If you're running JSonpickle 2.0, 5.0 anywhere in your stack, patch it now, not tomorrow.